To introduce myself, my name is Srinath Iyer and I work for the CREDAI Hyderabad. We have just concluded the CREDAI Hyderabad Property Show 10th edition, which was from the 13th August to 15th August. We would like to thank Sunshine Healthcare Services who were part of the show. Sunshine Healthcare Services extended all kind of healthcare facilities from sanitizing, checking the visitors for any sign of COVID, as we had to maintain a strict protocol for COVID pandemic. Apart from this, they did a free checkup for BP, diabetic, liver and dental care. I found their services top class and found their nurses and doctors very patient friendly. I would wish them the very best for the future and continue their good services to healthcare. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vineet from Sunshine Healthcare, and we are with Mr.
Rajiv, Head of Sales PVR Developers.
I'm going to ask you a few questions. Going to take 2 minutes of your time. And my first question is, how do you think COVID has impacted the communities in general and real estate in general?
Oh, tremendously. I think post-COVID, everyone is looking at good access to affordable healthcare, and all the builders in communities also have evolved in terms of the facilities and amenities that they provide, with more lung space and mini dispensaries and quick first aid facilities, and even I think oxygen concentrators have become a mandate. I think everyone is doing their bit in trying to provide relief to everyone in their communities, and I think from what I just saw, from what Sunshine is doing, I think it's a very good way of trying to reach every single household, particularly multiple families concentrated in one place in terms of the gated communities. So we have quite a lot of inventory in that direction. So I think COVID definitely has changed the way people look at gated communities, and how healthcare can be mobilized to everyone in terms of private personal attention, individual caregiving, or immediate access to an oxygen concentrator, or I think that's something people will look forward to hereafter when they invest in a house. Is it COVID friendly, or do they have access to good healthcare?
My name is Raj Narayan. I am the Vice President, Sales, Marketing, Business Development and CRM. And I head a project called Ramki Discovery City. See, initial days, a lot of people didn't understand what is pandemic. People were confused in the state of mindset. They didn't know how is it going to affect. Slowly the regulations came. People came to know that they have to do social distancing. Mask is a must. And work from home culture started. So it really helped the real estate industry in a very big manner.
This is Vamsi Krishna from Cyber City Builders. See, in fact, pandemic has made people to realize how important a home is. Because today your home has become your school, your office, and your regular home activities over there. So everyone has realized how important, when without going to office, without stepping out of the home, you can complete each and every aspect sitting at the home. So it made a lot of realization to the people.
Yeah, it has affected a lot, like with the COVID-19, a lot of people are scared to come out, invest on real estates and all. People are just worried about, how to invest, where to invest. And yes, it has affected the common people also.
What do you think about the integration between real estate and the health sector? Is there like any relationship, or can there be any potential integration between these two?
So absolutely, very good question. See, previously, if you look at, people used to live independent. Okay, they never had the thought of living in a community or where the health system is nearby. Today, if you look at my own example of Ramki Discovery City, we do have a gated community where we provide all the medical facilities within the community. Okay, and there is doctor on call. In fact, we also have the e-clinics where the entire structure of medical history of a customer is in a plate. It is so easily maintainable, accessible. At the same time, it is very effectively utilized. Today, if you see the projects like my Golden Circle, it's a project which is specific to the need of active adults, where the education level is very high. People don't mind paying something extra, but they need these facilities within the gated community. So these are the trend what you see in the real estate now. When we talk about a project, it is not just four walls. It is not just a clubhouse or a swimming pool, but it's a clinic. It is something called a physio center. It is something called a pharma inside and a doctor. So this is how the future trend is going to happen.
Honestly, over the top, I just glanced through, and it is exactly what I heard many people seeking for such kind of medical attention during the second wave. And if this kind of a service in terms of 24/7 nurses and assistants and access to pathological labs and post-COVID physiotherapy, because your lungs get weak and obviously you are lying in one place for 20-25 days. So over the top, I think definitely it will be a value add to all developers and builders who would like to offer this as a service. And I think surely, we at PVR would like to figure out how to connect with you as well.
Yeah, it definitely helps. And today people are not willing to step out of the community. Everything has to come to the home, like right from the food and any other aspect. If you say everything is home delivery, and this kind of activities will definitely help each and every individual.
Yeah, it's absolutely a good, effective idea, because you need to give them the awareness, how to protect themselves, how to be safe, and do rest of the other things.
So do you think at-home healthcare services seems like a good idea, and tying up with various residential companies will be effective, and how good is it as a welfare program?
It's really going to be a very useful, because people, most of the people are not aware about it, how to act, when such kind of a situations takes places. If you can go and make them aware of what needs to be done, definitely it's going to be helpful. And this is a good initiative what you're taking.
Thank you so much.
Naturally, why? Because a lot of people are staying in the single community, gated community. It's a very, very good choice for that, because all the people is not try to go to hospitals and everything, checkups and everything like that. So one campaigns and everything doing for that, definitely people will be interested in everything. That is it.
What's your opinion on home care services, like personal home care services, going to the home, giving checkups to the residents that are living?
Depends. Some that is actually it's a depends location, depends community. So like example, I will give example for my project. We have a 4 and 5 BHK apartment. It's a premium location, high tech city. The tickets is a minimum 4 crores. Affordable, not affordable homes. Definitely they will give a package and they will take it from package in different companies, and definitely they will take it. But it's a small community like 2 and 3 BHK. So they're thinking like that is a package are very, very big like that. So it's there. But now I think some other healthcare services they are giving for 599 and 699 packages is there. So it's a very good service for that. My opinion is a good service.
baby.